Hello, my healthy people out there. Good morning. How you all doing? Hope you're doing good. So today I'm gonna share with you 4 types of breakfast meal prep that is gonna help you to just blend and go. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, make videos twice a week. Put videos out twice a week, and this channel is all about health and nutrition, fitness, beauty. So yeah, if this is what you're looking for, you are at the right place. So before we get started, make sure to click on the subscription button now. It is at the, I think at the left or the right side of the screen. It's very huge. Very huge. I don't know if I just say huge. So it's very big there. They're saying subscribe. Just click on that, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. It's this little bell just at the side where it's saying subscribe. Just tap on that, so you're gonna get notified every time I post videos out there. So without wasting my time, let's hop right into today's video. So the first smoothie meal prep, you're gonna need 1 cup of spinach. You're gonna need 1 cup of banana, and you're gonna need 1 cup of kiwi. That's for the first meal prep, the smoothie. The second one, you're gonna need 1 cup of banana. These ones were fresh. I just caught them all, a couple of minutes ago, because I didn't want the video to be that long. So all these are fresh, but you can get frozen ones, you guys. So you're gonna need 1 cup of banana, 1 cup of strawberries. And the second smoothie meal prep, you're gonna need here 1 cup of mango, and you're gonna need 1 cup of pineapple. So all these are fresh, you guys. I just cut them into bits a couple of minutes ago, like I said. And you're gonna need 1 cup of orange. So with the fourth one, I'm sorry guys, that's my son. I'm so sorry guys, you know how it is when you have. So this fourth one, you guys, you're gonna need 1 cup of raspberries. You're gonna need 1 cup of strawberries, and then 1 cup of blueberries. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so we are all set. As you can see, it's looking good. So the first one we have a banana and strawberries, and in here we have like 1 cup of banana and then 1 cup of strawberries. So yeah, that's for the first meal prep, smoothie meal prep. The second one we have here 1 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of raspberries, and 1 cup of blueberries. So all these are mixed berries. Then the third one we have pineapple, orange, pineapple, mango, and orange. So 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of mango, and 1 cup of orange. And the fourth one we have kiwi, banana, and spinach. So in here too we have two pieces of kiwi and 1 banana, and then 1 cup of spinach. Okay, you guys, so this is it. We're all set. I'm gonna toss everything here in the freezer, and this can stay in the freezer for like 3 months, but it's not even gonna be like a week. Myself and my family are gonna finish it through. So guys, yeah, that is it right here. It was great. Yeah. Okay guys, so you just add, this is all set. All you have to do the next morning or anytime you want to get it from the freezer is just to add your yogurt or your milk. So you just blend it and you have your smoothie for breakfast. Thank you guys so much. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just tossed everything here in the freezer, as you can see. It can be in here for like 3 months, I believe, but this is just gonna get done within maybe less than a week. Alright guys. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. I love you all. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so. There's this broad thing in front of the screen which is red that says subscribe. Just tap on that, and also there's this little bell over there. Make sure to click on that one too, so you're gonna get notified every time I post videos out there, so you're not gonna miss out on any of my health nutrition stuff. So yeah guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much. Eat good food, eat healthy food, and let's live longer. I love you, and I'm gonna see you on my next one. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Love you guys. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it with me. I hope you enjoyed watching.